This is Minister for Spirituality. Okay. So I welcome you to the Minister for Spirituality session now. Thank you all. Yeah. So what is today we are going to look at these few points about what is the need for the Minister for Spirituality, what are the effects of having the spirituality minister, and then processes we adopt, and what is the outcome and success stories. So this is how we will be looking into. So what is not spirituality, first I tell, because a lot of people have got a confusion thinking this is spirituality. Like when Father Justice started, he said this is not about a religion. Yes, it's not religion, it's not a faith, it's not a cult, and not limited to regions or communities, not just for humans also. Spirituality is the spirit with which we all operate. What is the spirit that is motivating us to do wonderful things in life? What makes your spirit soar when you go and offer some services to everybody? The smile that you find in a child's face, it has no religion, no faith, no cult, none of these things. Okay, so there is something that we are all born with. Maybe later we are made into this, that, and all those things, but actually everybody is born spiritual. We are a spirit by nature. So what is spirituality is being peaceful within, being happy for no reason, being contented, being able to serve, being inclusive, and aware that God is one and for all. Okay, this is what actually we take as spirituality when we communicate with all the children everywhere we go. This is spirituality. And is there a need for a minister for spirituality? Yes, very much a need, because we want this. Everybody needs peace within, happiness and contentedness, and also for able to serve, inclusive, and awareness of the divine presence in the world. Okay, so this is what actually is the need of spirituality. So let us see the present context. What is happening today in the world is discrimination by religions. We say, I belong to this religion, you belong to another religion. But actually religion means what? Religion means let us come back again. Let us join back again. That is religion. But in the name of religion, we are separating. This is the very pathetic situation in the world, that people are fighting in the name of religion. There are so many wars happening in the name of religion. So much of discrimination between friends happening because of religion. So this is the present day situation. Casteism is really troubling the country a lot, especially in our country. But don't think that it is only in India. Anywhere, everywhere you go, there is some other name they may give, subsects or something like that. With that names, people are all discriminating each other. Then racism, that by color of the skin or by this thing, people are all distinguishing. We are different. There is nothing much in any animal except in human being. This kind of a problem. Capitalism is another big problem. People rich are trying to suppress the people who are haves and have-nots is happening. Then power politics is going on. People want power, for that they jump from this side to that side and make sure that people are all divided. So the divide and rule policy is continuing in the name of politics everywhere, because people want to be in power. So all these divisions and discriminations, differentiation, these are all going on purely because of this egoism. What is this egoism? I need to be better than the other. One very important simple thing that everybody should know is you are as good as the people around you. You cannot be better than the rest of the people. Today, because of this COVID situation, everybody knows it doesn't matter whether you belong to this religion, that religion, whether you pray God or not, don't pray God, whether you have power, money, position, and all that, you are same for Corona. So once this has come to the position, now we need to realize, hey, none of these things are going to help the mankind. We need to grow. So in the inclusive neighborhood children's parliaments, the ministers of spirituality have taken an oath. We shall have retreat camps arranged for us. What are these retreat camps? Retreat camps are about how to go, retreat yourself. That means you go inwards, a journey inwards. Spend some time in silence and prayer every day. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes like that. Take part in common prayer services. Permit ourselves to be inspired and educated by all religions in matters of social justice, equality, fraternity, and human dignity. And visit sick and be a source of consolation to them. Our children are going to hospitals where sick people are there, old people are there. These young children, when they come there, they become active. That adds more energy to them. They see some purpose in life. So this is how children are, inspiring the old and the sick, and also visit the elderly and befriend them in their need. So they are going to talk to Tata, how are you, Grandpa, like this. They are going, Grandma, like that. Whoever it may be, any person old, he requires the company of children. This is what is provided by the children. Take part in spiritual orientation programs, so that everybody come together, drop all the religious, masks and come together in love to each other. Listen to scripture recitations of all religions, so that they know whatever religion is, they are all preaching for everybody, and then arrange for and participate in community fellowship meal celebrations, like during Ramzan, we host, and during some other festival they host, like that. Each religion is hosting the other one, showing their fraternity. And learn to identify and appreciate the positive elements found in various religions. Every religion is like a flower, it has its own fragrance. Like Christianity is for love, and Islam is for peace, Hinduism is for wisdom. So like that, every religion is appreciated and honored. So we conduct every year in my own place, every year we conduct a religious harmony celebration where almost 2 to 3 lakh people come, and this happens in a dargah, in a Islamic place, where all the religious heads come together. We hug each other and we express to the world we have no enmity with each other. So these kind of activities take place. Take part in inter-religious prayer gatherings, and then not permit discrimination on the basis of religious affiliations. So this has been actively taken up by the children. This is the commitment the children take, and then they lead. Okay. Then coming to the processes we adopt is: take time to go inwards, share love with your neighbors, help those in need, serve the nature, build relationships with love, conduct community activities for harmony and peace. So these are all the things that processes adopted. Then outcomes of Ministry for Spirituality in INCP is inclusive society has come. People are all, like all religions, everybody is coming together and participating in the community activities. Happy families. Once this has been taken up, the enmity, the inner, all these things, they are inside. They are all gone. They are all very happy with each other. So the happy families are happy, and harmony among religions, and integrated approach to peaceful living. So everybody take decisions together. There is a festival Muharram. Then what happened? All the people in the localities came together. They said, how do we celebrate? Because of this pandemic situation, what do we do? So how do we really support so that everything happens in harmony with each other? And like we had Ganesh festival, then everybody decided, let us not do this way. It is a community decision, that let us do in a way that no peace is disturbed and everybody is happily doing it in their own homes, and they can all meet each other in a way that we share our love. Okay, that's how it is. Praying and meditating together is happening. We have a meditation hall we have built specially for anybody can come, sit and meditate and go in their own way. Okay, fraternity among children is built in this. This is one of the very big achievement happened. Children have become like brothers. They don't call themselves by their name. They say, brother, how are you, brother? Like that, they are all talking. That means there is no religious or age. All these barriers are not there. In our place, nobody will call anybody by their name, but like they call Anna, Akka, or Mama, Baba, like that. That's how, irrespective of religion or caste, they are all like one family. So these are all the outcomes of Ministry for Spirituality in INCP. And so some of the success stories are: we are celebrating festivals together, helping at times of crisis. When somebody is not having food because of this corona, it is traced, and then food is supplied to their home, and they are taken care. Somebody had some death happened in our place because of corona. Everybody went, helped disposing of the body, like that. This is helping times, and collective action from compassion and love is happening, where everybody is really joining with love. So then collective actions are taken up. Like we see, if there is a family problem, the community sits together, support them to resolve the problem, conducting collective prayers for all, and developing sensitivity to nature. This is another very important thing that is happening. Because of this, we are all seeing, like, whatever we are doing, are we in tune with nature? Spirituality is to be in tune with nature. If anything is damaging the society or damaging the nature, then whatever the religion is, anything, we stop the practices which are harmful to the nature. So this is out of love for nature, not for or against any religion. So campaigning for protecting nature is happening by all the children, all the people around. So they are all saying, like, let us make our locality green, beautiful, nice parks have come out. Everybody is participating. These are the success stories we have. And for that, let us do one small process. Are you all ready for a small process? Then we can do that process. It just we'll do one small process where we'll do inclusion. Please sit comfortably. It's just a small process. Close your eyes and just relax.